Why does your body sunburn more easily when pregnant? During pregnancy, your body produces higher levels of estrogen and progesterone. These hormones make your skin more sensitive to ultraviolet rays from the sun. This increased sensitivity means that your skin's natural defense against sun damage weakens, so it burns faster and more easily than usual. Melasma, often called the mask of pregnancy, causes dark spots to appear on your face and body. This condition results from the same hormonal changes and increased melanin production. Melasma makes your skin more prone to sun damage, meaning sunburns can happen quicker and with more intensity. Your immune system adapts during pregnancy to protect the growing baby, which also affects how your skin responds to damage. A milder immune response means your skin can't repair sun damage as quickly. This slower healing process makes sunburns more painful and longer lasting. Because your skin is more vulnerable, it's crucial to protect it. Always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30, wear wide-brimmed hats, and seek shade especially during peak sunlight hours between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. These steps help prevent serious sunburn and long-term skin damage during pregnancy. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.